Join us in today's video as we explore mindful decisions for our households, families, and the environment. From the food on our plates to the clothes in our closets and the products we use daily, let's explore 10 things that could be omitted from our shopping lists in the pursuit of a healthier and more planet-friendly lifestyle. Number 10. Styrofoam cups. Styrofoam cups are made from a type of plastic called expanded polystyrene. The process involves expanding polystyrene beads with steam to create a lightweight and insulating material. However, styrofoam cups can pose health and environmental risks. They may release harmful chemicals, like styrene, especially when in contact with hot liquids. Styrofoam is not easily biodegradable, leading to long-lasting environmental pollution. Choose paper cups that are recyclable and compostable, ensuring a more environmentally friendly option without any associated health risks. Number 9. Parabens and phthalates in food and cosmetic products. Parabens serve as preservatives in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, skin creams, and certain food and beverage products. Being assigned the E number E216 as a food additive, their use has been associated with breast cancer. Meanwhile, phthalates is a group of industrial chemicals linked to birth defects, are commonly found in various cosmetic items, including nail polish and deodorant. Detecting these chemicals in makeup and personal care products involves identifying acronyms like DEP, DMP, DBP, DINP, and DNOP. Despite having relatively short half-lives in the human body, phthalates have been connected to serious health problems, including infertility, testicular dysgenesis, obesity, asthma, allergies, leiomyomas, and breast cancer. Number 8. Plastic wrap. Historically, household plastic wraps were often crafted from polyvinyl chloride, a material that could release toxins when exposed to heat or microwaved. Due to apprehensions about health implications, many brands have since phased out the use of PVCs in household plastic wraps. Nevertheless, PVCs are still prevalent in commercial plastic wraps, including those utilized in grocery stores. Number 7. Bleached coffee filters. Bleached coffee filters may pose health risks due to the use of chemicals in the bleaching process, such as chlorine or oxygen-based compounds. The process can leave behind residues and potentially harmful substances in the filters, which may transfer to the brewed coffee. Chlorine-based bleaching can also produce dioxins, associated with health issues like developmental problems, immune system suppression, and cancer. Additionally, inhalation of chlorine fumes during brewing may exacerbate respiratory conditions. To minimize risks, individuals concerned about these potential health effects may opt for unbleached or oxygen-bleached coffee filters as a safer alternative. Number 6. Traditional household cleaning products. Traditional household cleaning products may contain harmful ingredients like organic solvents and petroleum-based chemicals. These substances have the potential to emit volatile organic compounds into your indoor environment, presenting a specific risk, especially for children. For instance, some window and glass cleaners often include ingredients like ammonia, a common organic solvent, and may contain petroleum-based compounds. These ingredients can contribute to the release of volatile organic compounds when used, posing potential health concerns. Choosing cleaner alternatives with environmentally friendly and less toxic formulations can help minimize the risks associated with traditional household cleaners. Number 5. Plastic products. Plastic forks, spoons, and straws are crafted from oil-derived polypropylene or polystyrene, posing health risks for chemical leaching. Plastics can release harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates, especially when exposed to heat, posing health concerns when used with food. Improper disposal contributes to pollution. Plastic utensils do not easily biodegrade and harm ecosystems and wildlife. Over time, plastic utensils break down into microplastics, raising concerns about potential health impacts when consumed. Opting for reusable utensils and reducing single-use plastic helps address these issues. Number 4. Processed foods and meats. Processed meat, which undergoes preservation through methods such as curing, salting, smoking, drying, or canning, is widely recognized as detrimental to health and has been consistently linked to an elevated risk of conditions like cancer. The consumption of processed meat tends to be more prevalent among those with unhealthy lifestyle habits due to its known association with adverse health effects. Notably, The intake of processed meat has been consistently associated with an increased risk of various chronic diseases, including but not limited to high blood pressure, hypertension, heart disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and bowel and stomach cancer. Number 3. Farm-raised salmon. Farm-raised salmon is often considered less healthy than wild-caught salmon for several reasons. Farm-raised salmon may contain lower levels of omega-3 fatty acids. Artificial coloring is used to achieve the desired appearance, and there are concerns about contaminants from pesticides and antibiotics. Additionally, the crowded conditions in fish farms can lead to environmental issues. Choosing wild-caught salmon is often preferred for its higher nutrient density and more sustainable sourcing. Number 2. High volatile paints. High volatile paints and finishes pose health risks due to the release of volatile organic compounds, leading to indoor air pollution. Prolonged exposure may cause respiratory issues, headaches, and irritation, particularly affecting individuals with asthma or allergies. Long-term risks include potential harm to the liver, kidneys, and nervous system. Additionally, these paints contribute to environmental pollution and ground-level ozone formation. Number 1. School supplies made up of plastic. Vinyl chloride, a known human carcinogen, is utilized to create PVC, with 70% of PVC primarily used in construction. However, everyday plastics, including children's school supplies like backpacks, pencil cases, lunch boxes, and notebooks, also contain PVC. To address these concerns, choosing PVC-free school supplies made from environmentally friendly materials is recommended.